funny because a lot of things have changed, but at some level nothing really has changed because Sukhda and I have known each other a really long time, and it's nice to be able to finally be together after being long distance for so long. So yeah, I think a lot of things are similar. Nothing's really changed.
Especially because most of our relationship was mostly long distance. तो कुछ भी frustration हो, कुछ भी irritation हो, I would just pick up the phone and start yelling at him कि मेरे साथ ये हुआ वो हुआ, and he would patiently listen and let me talk. So yeah, he's tolerated me a lot these last 5 years.
3 good things I like about Sukhda. Hard to say because there's too many things to list, but I guess in order, probably the first thing is her choice in design and art. So she's been picking all of my clothes, and she's my fashion advisor, she's my furniture advisor, and all of those things. So I guess I would be completely lost without her advice on these things.
He's extremely hardworking, very focused, sort of that helps me get motivated to do something.
The second thing would be probably that just her laugh. She's always really happy and cheerful, and that's a great thing about her.
He can pick up, the smallest hints and understand क्या है the state of mind. So that is very helpful. There is no support feeling involved there.
And third is the way that she's always friendly to everyone. Every new person she meets, she makes friends instantly, and I think that's something I really admire about her. She's while I think this is a flip side of her being a designer, where she knows so much about clothes and fashion, and I think I'm the exact opposite. I'm the typical engineer who doesn't care what he wears. So Sukhda always gets annoyed with me when I'm wearing my typical casual clothes, some torn t-shirt and shorts, and just walking around, and she's like, "You look like this." Sukhda and I met a really long time ago in IIT when she was a student in the design school, and I was taking classes there, and she was the first person, one of the first people who spoke to me.
I have known her from first standard, but I don't know how we became so close friends. I think it's a blur. हम हमेशा एक ही लेन में रहते थे, and एक ही क्लास में थे पूरा टाइम, and I have absolutely no memory of when we started hanging out together and when we became best of friends. CBD में our world was sector 4. एक कॉर्नर में घर है, एक दूसरे कॉर्नर में स्कूल है, and that was it. And she went to sector 8, which is maybe 10 minutes away. तो फिर भी लगता था कि ये भगवान कौन से कोने में चली गई है. And she used to be a weekend adventure कि नंदिनी के घर जाना है. तो चल के we would go to her house and we would think, wow, क्या मस्त जगह पर अलग ही कोई जगह जा रहे हैं guys.
Boating to a waterfall or something.
And she
it was like a hill station, yeah.
And she has this this rainwater drain that goes from in front of her house. तो बारिश के टाइम पे it was like a small stream of water, and वो इतना thrilling just to literally feel like a hill station में हम लोग जा रहे हैं. I am introvert by nature, and I don't usually go walk up to people and start a conversation, but I was the one who went up to Pranav and introduced myself. Everyone finds it very surprising.
I want to see what Pranav says to this.
No, it was literally वो भाग रहा था. So he is not in my department. और उसका एक लेक्चर उसने हमारे डिपार्टमेंट में एक लेक्चर लिया था, and he is very studious and he was always on a run. एक लेक्चर जैसे ही खत्म हुआ भाग गया वहाँ से, and I had to like literally chase him from water cooler to a group of friends, and then finally उसको जाकर I introduced him कि hi, we are sharing the lecture, how is. I started asking him how come he chose. He's an engineering student, so how come he chose a design subject. So that's how we started our conversation. and one of my classmates, Aditi, helped us a lot. I don't know how, she just knew that we were sort of interested in each other. So she came up with some bahana कि board game design किया था उसने. So she called us कि I want you guys to play this game and give me your feedback. And I don't know how the conversation, what happened, I don't remember it clearly, but उसने बोला कि एक दूसरे को phone numbers दो, and then you can give me a consolidated. That's hot. Yeah, consolidated, and we didn't even hesitate कि why should I share my phone number with a stranger? Nothing, no such second thoughts. सीधा दे दिया phone number, and that's how we started.
So who called whom first? Was it you again this time?
No.
I'm just waiting to see Pranav's reaction to all this.
No, it was him only. So yeah, since then it was like smooth. काफी बार lectures तो हमारे होते थे साथ में, and since IIT campus is a very small world in its own, तो बहुत easy था to hang out. And
We kept meeting after that, and one thing led to another with the help of a few of her friends and a few of mine who really helped make this happen, like Aditi and Shruti. That's when we really started dating, and soon I graduated, I started working, and we would meet weekend after weekend, and then after that, when I went away to business school, 2 years was really hard when we were long distance, but now I'm back, and I'm really glad she's joining me after this, and we will continue this love story afterwards.
same night when he asked me out, the same night I messaged all of them saying that now I'm not single anymore. I think now I'm not single anymore. I have a boyfriend. And my roommate, another, she's Shruti, she's another very close friend of mine. उसको भी मुझको हिम्मत नहीं हो रही थी, वो सो रही थी, तो हिम्मत नहीं हो रही थी उसको उठाकर बताओ. So I just messaged her and she was awake. She saw my message and then we started sharing details.
The funniest incident I remember is food related. So Khuda and I have very different food tastes and eating speeds as well as quantities. I eat way more than her, much quicker than her, and I like almost every kind of food. So Khuda is quite picky, or at least she used to be very picky about what she ate and how much she ate. So when we were college students, obviously we weren't super rich or anything, and we would go out to have pizza, and then I would eat my 2 slices of the 4 slices really quickly, and then Khuda would still be halfway through her first slice, and then I would just keep looking at the other slice, and then until Sukhada was like, "ठीक है, खा ले, it's okay, you can have it."
Every time we go out in a restaurant, for him I don't exist. It's only him and his food. और शुरू में I remember the first few times when we went out, I used to be worried कि शायद मैं उसे बोर कर रही हूँ, शायद उसको मैं interesting नहीं लग रही, and that's why he's only looking at his plate and not anywhere else. But that's the case every time. So sometimes I would like him to give me more importance than the food. Yeah, that is one thing that bugs me still.
I know another thing that she doesn't like about Pranav. You have told me this. It's the way he dances with her. She says he has no sense of rhythm and he just does his own thing rather than dancing with another person. So
No, but now I'm hoping that's changed because he was part of this dance group. He trained in hip hop. So for some college function, he had joined the hip hop group when he performed, and I saw the performance. It was good. So I'm hoping कि अभी थोड़ा सा training के साथ things will change.
थोड़ा coordination होगा dance में.
Otherwise, no sense of beat. He will just dance same for any song.
sole patole lakha, sone sone patole. Yeah. Eh takdiya rendiya kha, eh takdiya rendiya. Yeah.
She put up a show. Unless I'm impressed, baby, I gotta go. I won't lie and tell you that I'll take it slow. But tonight, no bites, cause the wife will know.
Sone sone patole lakha, sone sone patole lakha. Eh takdiya rendiya kha, eh takdiya rendiya kha. Main ki dassa apni ve, eh chan karda hai tarifa. Ha mere husn de kone 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 di, kone kone di. Oh baby doll me sone di, oh baby doll me sone di, oh baby doll me sone di, oh baby doll me sone di.
Was a little bit of a surprise for you guys, which unfortunately you got a glimpse of. But we were all thinking what to do for you guys since we did not have any Sangeet or anything planned. We thought let's just do whatever we can to catch 30 to 40 seconds of glimpses of each of your favorite songs. So these, all of them have a story to tell for why we have chosen those 3-4 songs that we did.
I'll start with 5, 6, 7, 8, going back to 1998, if I'm not mistaken.
It's time to begin. Now count it in. 5, 6, 7, 8.
My boots scooting baby is driving me crazy. My obsession from a western, my dance floor date, my rodeo Romeo, and how I got from head to toe. Wanna make you mine, better get in line. 5, 6, 7, 8. दिन तड़ाक आजा उड़ के सराट पैरों से बीड़ी जरा खोल नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम धाय ये दिन तड़ाक आजा उड़ के सराट पैरों से बीड़ी जरा खोल नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे तेरा करो दिन गिन गिन पे इंतजार आजा पिया आए बहार तेरा करो दिन गिन गिन के इंतजार आजा पिया आए बहार
हमारी ग्रुप में फर्स्ट है तो गेट मैरिड अच्छा लग रहा है कि देख के एक टाइम था जब हम बात करते थे इन सब बारे में आज वो रियलिटी है अच्छी दिख रही है काफ़ी दोनों साथ में बहुत अच्छे दिख रहे हो पहले से अच्छे दिखते थे और अच्छा लग रहा है तुम लोग एक साथ अपनी लाइफ आगे बढ़ाओगे और बहुत सारे मोमेंट हैं तेरे साथ हम लोग सेम टीम में थे 2 साल बहुत चीज़ें की हैं साथ में बहुत सारी बातें बहुत सारी सीरियस डिस्कशंस मजाक भी किया है मूवी देखी है तेरे साथ द 3 इडियट्स और रोने लगी थी किचन में तो बहुत हंसी थी मेरे ऊपर पता नहीं ज़्यादा है नहीं मेरे पास ऑल द बेस्ट
अंडरग्रेड पे जाती है अंडरग्रेड के 4 साल में तूने ज़्यादा कुछ किया नहीं तो कोई कॉन्ट्रोवर्सी थी नहीं ज़्यादा बात भी नहीं करती थी किसी से वी स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग जस्ट बिकॉज रोल नंबर वाइज तो आगे बढ़ी थी IIT में आके आई थिंक ओपन अप एज अ पर्सन लॉस्ट एज एन इंडिविजुअल और मेरा गेम डिज़ाइन प्रोजेक्ट अभी भी पेंडिंग है अभी भी वो फाइनल प्रोटोटाइप बना नहीं है बट उसमें से अगर कुछ अच्छा निकल के आया है तो यू गाइज सॉर्ट ऑफ फ्रॉम अ कपल यू गाइज आर नाउ ऑफिशियल आई थिंक इट वाज फैंटास्टिक कि उस दिन मैं मेरा फ़ोन भूल गई थी और क्योंकि फ़ोन नहीं था प्रणव और तेरे नंबर्स एक्सचेंज हुए फ्रॉम दैट डे टू वेयर यू गाइज हैव कम सो मेनी ईयर्स लेटर इट इज़ फैंटास्टिक एक और बात वो जॉब और अभी US में जाके हाउ विल यू सेट अप इलस्ट्रेशन कैसे आगे बढ़ाएगी ज़्यादा नंबर मत दे बेसिकली यू आर फैंटास्टिक इलस्ट्रेटर प्रणव इन US आई थिंक एवरीथिंग इज जस्ट गोइंग बी all the more awesome so good luck in everything
अबाउट योर एनिमेशन मुझे तेरे एनिमेशन
हमेशा बहुत पसंद है। तेरी बुक का वेट रहता है मुझे, तेरे नए इलस्ट्रेशंस का वेट रहता है मुझे। शेयर करते रहना, अच्छा काम करते रहना, तो अच्छा ही करेगी। ऑल द बेस्ट।
Sukhada, for the last couple of months of whatever I've been seeing her, she's actually the most easygoing bride you can ever imagine. I don't know, I mean, if you go by the stereotype that, you know, girls just before getting married they turn into these Godzillas or whatever, bridezillas or whatever, she's the exact opposite of this. And there are so many examples, I don't even know honestly where to start. As far as her outfits are concerned, her accessories, of what are the things she wants, what are the things that she wants her friends to do for her or her family to do. She's been absolutely undemanding. So really admire her a lot for this. Quite honestly, it's not really sunk in that she's actually getting married and she's moving away, and I'm probably going to see a lot less of her now. But yeah, I don't know, I think yeah, it will really sink in once that actually happens. And I'm gonna miss, the one thing I'll miss the most about Sukhada is her annoying habit of really borrowing every single piece of clothing that I own, all of my accessories, and like really living off of me. But yeah, I mean, of course it's a give and take thing, and yeah, I've troubled her a lot. Whether it's, you know, it's about walking in home at 2 a.m. and asking her to open the door for me because I've forgotten my keys and I can't ring the doorbell because mom and dad are there. So, you know, lots of things. 26 years of knowing her, and you know, she's completely transformed from being this troubled child, getting into all sorts of trouble, giving like the worst of anxiety attacks to my parents by just disappearing, you know, for a couple of hours when she was like 4 years old or something. She has completely changed now. I mean, she's so uncontroversial. There is not one embarrassing thing that I can think of, you know, sharing about her right now. And as far as Pranav goes, whatever I know about him, he's exactly the type. Like, they're really meant to be together. They're like a perfect couple. And I just think there has to be something that, and this is a, you know, a message, a request to all of her friends also, whether it's Nandini, Uma, Shruti, all of you guys. We have to get some dirt out of, you know, dirt on these two, because there has to be something. They can't be as goody-goody as both of them look like. So we really need to keep our eyes open and be very, very honest and speak our hearts out about it. We started a good 3-4 months back, but of course, you know, you can never be completely satisfied with whatever you have spent time on and organized and everything. So like my dad put it, it's pretty much like an exam where you always feel the night before the exam when you feel like, okay, there is that one chapter that you've not studied enough or it needs revision. So yeah, there is that satisfaction is not there, but I'm sure we'll, you know, go through, and yeah, everything seems to be going well. My parents are having a couple of these moments when they're getting really emotional. Unfortunately, I've just heard stories about it. I've not been around much to see it, but yeah, they are, you know, they are now finally realizing that they're not going to see too much of their daughter anymore. So yeah, it's going to be interesting. It's going to be quite emotional also the next couple of days. Let's see how it goes.
मी खूप चांगली होते सगळ्या चांगल्या कॉमेडी माझ्यामध्ये अजूनही आहेत.
काही मागायचं असेल तरी मिळालं नाही, की भोकाड पसरणं, हातपाय आपटणं, चालायला खूप लवकर शिकली होती.
सोड प्रत्येक वेळेस आम्ही बाहेरून कुठूनही घरी यायचो तर ताईने काही ना काहीतरी असं केलं असायचं जे ती आई बाबांना सांगणार नाही, किंवा तिला माहिती होतं शी इज नॉट अलाउड टू डू दॅट. जेव्हा ती कोंबडी पण चोरलेली तिने मला सांगितलं नव्हतं, कारण तिला माहिती होतं मी खरं बोलते.
आणि तिला म्हणजे विचारायचं असेल की समोराकडे बघितलं
नाही.
खरं बोलून टाकायची.
हे घराचा डोर आहे, डोरच्या बाहेर स्टेजच्या खाली ताई मला थांबलेले आणि मला बघून म्हणाले, संपू तू आईबाबांकडे बघून काही बोलायचं नाही. त्यांनी काही विचारलं तर मी उत्तर दे. म्हणजे मी इतकी ऑनेस्ट होते.
ऑनेस्ट म्हणजे ना सगळं फॉलो, सगळं ताईला फॉलो करायचं,
सगळं खोटं बोलणं ताई मला शिकवलं.
ताई
तर दुसरी मिस्ट्री आहे की आता ती प्रणवचं वगैरेचं बोलते की कॉमन क्लास होता वगैरे वगैरे. वी डोंट नो व्हॉट द ट्रूथ इज. वी डोंट नो व्हॉट द ट्रूथ इज. शी इज द एक्सपर्ट ॲट लाईंग. तिने 5 वर्षाची असताना मला खोटं बोलवायला खूप ट्राय केलेलं शिकवायचं, पण मी शिकले नाही. सो हां, विचारावं लागेल की भेटले कुठे होते आणि हां
कितपत त्यांचं आधीपासून होतं आणि मग सांगितलंच नाही, विचारलं लग्न करायचं परत आता
एक्स्ट्रा माहिती शिकायचे की लग्न नाही करावं लागणार. बट नाव द आयरॉनिक थिंग इज तिथे जाऊनच तिने लग्न ठरवलं, ज्याच्यासाठी लग्नासाठी पळत होती ती तिथून दूर जायला असं.
आणि लग्नाकरता खास तिची काकू पण आलेली आहे आज.
यश लहान असताना दोघी मुली, त्यामुळे त्याला मुलींचं खूप अट्रॅक्शन. आणि मग या बहिणीच म्हणजे देवर लाईक सिबलिंग्स. आणि मग यशला पण मला फ्रॉक घालायचा आहे, मला फ्रॉक घालून यांच्याबरोबरच फोटो काढायचा आहे. तर मग सुखदानी अगदी तिचा फ्रॉक काढून त्याला तो घातला आणि मग त्याला थोडा मेकअप केला. आणि तिला कलर्सचं खूप अट्रॅक्शन होतं लहानपणापासून, त्याच्यामुळे अगदी ती शी वॉन्टेड यश टू बी रिअली कलरफुल. अँड मग तिघांचा अजून फोटो आम्ही नेहमी बघतो आणि तो फोटो. आणि तिला यश अगदी लहान होता आणि ती आली होती, तिला खूप क्युरिओसिटी की हा बाटलीने दूध पितोय. मला वाटतं नीलानी त्यांना कधीच बाटलीने दूध पाजलं नव्हती. मग आम्ही त्याची बाटली साईडला ठेवली आणि आम्ही बाहेर निघून गेलो आणि मग ती एकटीच बेडरूम मध्ये त्या बाटलीने दूध पित होती. आणि मग म्हणजे क्युरिओसिटी की हे काय आहे वेगळं. तर त्याचं आम्हाला नेहमी आठवण येते आणि आम्ही त्याचे मजा येते. म्हणजे ते सगळ्या गप्पा,
बाटलीतलं दूध आणि काय पेंट आणि वॉलचं ते पापड्या निघालेल्या आणि सगळं काही खाऊन पिऊन सगळं काही ट्राय करून झालंय.
4 साल मैं वहाँ पर सिवनी में रही थी. सो सॉर्ट ऑफ आई वाज यूज्ड टू द फैक्ट कि फ्रेंड से मिलना इज जस्ट वंस अ मंथ अफेयर. और अभी लास्ट 2 years से ऑलमोस्ट सो फ्रीक्वेंटली. तो that's something I'm going to miss later. और I don't know how सुखदा इतना बात करती है ना, इतना बात करती है. मैं और उमा कभी कभी सोचते रहते हैं कि ये चुप कब होगी. And I'm gonna miss that now. Seriously. I'm usually not a talkative person, but ये दोनों मुझसे भी शांत है. कल रात तक I was super scared, tensed and worried. And I was awake till 2 in the morning. और हर टाइम ऐसे ही लग रहा था अब बुखार आने वाला, अब मैं बीमार पड़ने वाली हूँ. But today I'm feeling happy, cheerful. लोग भी अभी बहुत घर गया है तो अच्छा लग रहा है.
She is actually feeling better because I am here now.
Yes,
Till
it was
yesterday,
such a relief.
सिर्फ एक ही चीज चेंज हुई है कल रात से और आज तक. आई एम हियर.
I was missing her a lot. मैं कल रात को 2-3 बार फोन भी करके आई हूँ, कमिंग होम, आई हूँ कमिंग होम. एंड इसने जब बोला कि नहीं मैं गोरेगांव रह रही हूँ तो आई वाज लाइक अभी ये बैग्स कौन पैक करने में हेल्प.
how will you decide which of my clothes to borrow?
Exactly. And that was the moment I decided, okay, enough. सारा रूम ये पूरा भरा हुआ था, 2 बैग्स खुली पड़ी थी. And I was like अभी ठीक है, बहुत हो गया, मैं सोने जा रही हूँ. And I literally left the room the way it was. फिर सुबह उठ के whatever जो भी था सब अंदर घुसा हुआ है. And I'm still waiting. मैंने आज भी मम्मी को बोला कि मेरी सारी बैग पैक नहीं हुई है. I'm waiting for her to come. बाकी का सब उससे करवा दूँ.
It's a good way of telling me. Great timing.
Yeah, and अभी तो अच्छा reason भी है. I have mehndi also. No one can complain. Yeah, I'm enjoying. इस बहुत बचपन के बाद अभी किसी ने मेरे को खिलाया है तो I'm enjoying all the pampering.
Yeah, but the interesting thing is she doesn't like to be pampered or she doesn't like to get too close to people.
Yeah.
So the best way to show you is to do this. She hates it. She hates it so much. She doesn't like people hugging her. She doesn't like people coming close to her face or her hair.
Yeah,
But we just love doing that so much. Time for a hug.
ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಮರೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ದಿವಸ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ.
ನಮಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಭಾಳ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅವರು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳಾಗಿಂದ ದೊಡ್ಡವರಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆದಿರೋವರೆಗೂ ತುಂಬ ವಿಧೇಯರಾಗಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸುಖ ಶಾಂತಿ ಸಿಗಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅವ್ರ ಜೀವನ ಸುಖಮಯವಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ
ದೇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸು.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆಗಲೇ ಬರೆದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಮೆಸೇಜು. ಅದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಜೀವನ ಅನ್ನತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಇಬ್ಬರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಹೊಂದಾಣಿಕೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಂದ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅವರ ನಡವಳಿಕೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಮದುವೆ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಬರೀ ಹೊಂದಾಣಿಕೆಯ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದ ಇದು ಉದ್ದೇಶ. ಆ ಹೊಂದಾಣಿಕೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಜೀವನ ಸುಖಮಯವಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೊಬ್ಬರು ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹಾರೈಸ್ತೇನೆ ಮತ್ತು ದೇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ ಜೀವನ ಸುಖಮಯವಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸ್ತೇನೆ.
ನಾನು ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಅನುಸರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಬ್ಬರನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಎಲ್ಲದನ್ನು ಒಂದೇ ಥರ ಅನುಸರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಡಿಬೇಕು. ಇವರಿಗೆ ದೇವರು ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ ಸಂಪತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಾಪಾಡಲಿ ಅಂತ ದೇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸ್ತಾರೆ.
Great, simply great. My grandson Pranav is a very great young man. So he has got a very great girls. His wife and his marriage were very happy.
We are very happy.
Very, very happy. I don't know. I perhaps have to search for words to express my happiness. He's so great. May God bless him and Sugata. Very fine people. They are best in this best of all possible worlds.
Because I can't express in English properly. ನಾನು ಸೊ ಪ್ರಣವ್ದು ಸುಖದ ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಿರೋದು ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಇದೆ. ಸುಖದಾನು ಪ್ರಣವ್ಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ಅವಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನನಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇರಲಿ ಅಂತ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಮೈ ವಿಶ್.
May God bless
May God bless them.
May God bless Sukita and Pranav both with all that is best in this best of all possible worlds.
I feel like I've been very lucky in finding Sukita, and I'm glad we've decided to get married, and I'm really excited for the future together.
He is shy, pretend to be very comfortable around people, but he's not. He likes being left alone. He would rather have time with himself than with others.
Pranav is a foodie, okay? And if you place some delicious food in front of him, you can be assured that he will not receive phone calls, he will not lift his head up, nor will he talk to anyone till he finishes his food. There have been a couple of times when I have called him up, interrupted him during his, when he was having some good stuff, nice things to eat, goodies. He has told me, Papa, don't disturb me, let me finish my food and call you back. Second funny thing, which is again something a lot of people don't know about unless they're very close to him. He loves to spend a lot of time in the loo. So if you don't find Pranav for a couple of hours, you can be assured that he's sitting in the loo, either playing on his iPad or reading a book. So that is something which, today, in fact, I was telling Sukita, the first thing you got to buy is, fix an intercom in the loo so that you don't have to keep shouting across the wall. Funny things or stupid things, I would say, is extremely careful with money. Like, I remember that, he walked about 4 kilometers along with 2 bags because he didn't want to spend money on a taxi, which would have cost $100 US. But at the same time, he is very close to his mom, and he was willing to spend $1 lakh rupees to get her to fly to US and spend a couple of weeks for her. For what? Just so that she could prepare some tasty dishes for him, which he loves, and also help him set up the house. So he didn't mind spending $1 lakh just for that. But on the contrary, carrying 2 heavy bags, he would walk 4 kilometers because he doesn't want to spend money on the cab. One more interesting thing which my wife introduced in the marriage, which I find is quite different, is she put a book together called as Book of Marital Advice, where the people who have been together, in a married relationship for 20 years, 30 years, 35 years, they have put together, they pen their thoughts on some of the do's and don'ts. I'm sure Pranav and Sukita should go through it and keep a few tips given by the wise people who have been there and done that will help them, be more, have a more successful marriage. Other than that, I would, my advice as a dad to Pranav, and also the new daughter who has joined our family. It's a new experience for me because I have only one son, and it's a great experience to be having a daughter, and I need to pick up probably some sensitivity on how to manage a girl. Having done that, what I say is, I would tell Pranav and Sukada to be sensitive to each other, to have fun, okay? And marriage is not a bed of roses. There are happy occasions, there will be challenges, there will be differences, especially when two people come from different cultures, different backgrounds, different upbringings. There are going to be differences on likes, dislikes, and so what I would say is, move on. Don't keep petty things in your mind and start sulking.
What I like about Sukada is, I think she's ideal for Pranav. It took me a while to understand that, Pranav was, all his intelligence was justified because the girl was just right for him. I don't think we could have done a better job if we'd actually gone out and looked for a girl for him. What I like is she's very calm, composed. She is very much in control of herself, and she's not very demanding. And I like that she's very restful as a person, and for Pranav I can say that it's ideal because he needs that kind of space around him, and she's the one who can give it to him. She's not clingy. And as a person, to me, what she means is, for me it's a new experience having a girl in the house. Like she'll advise me on my clothes, she'll pluck out eyebrow hairs, and I mean those are very, very nice things because I had never had anybody do that for me, and somebody to say no, this shouldn't be worn with that, and keep me up to date with the fashion trends and all that. That is a very nice feeling for me. I also find that we both can gang up together on Pranav, so it's very, very nice. And Sukada's family, the first time we met was last year, a couple of years ago actually. And what I liked was, for me, meeting the girl was one thing, meeting the family was the most important part. Yes, the girl is very important for the family too, because sooner or later, it's those values that will surface in her. And for me, that was very important. I really liked it that they were simple people, cultured, and that was very, very important to me, that idea of cultured family. I enjoy interacting with them now. We still have a long way to go together, and I look forward to having a new family to bond with. For me, it was a dream wedding because all the things that I couldn't do myself, I didn't for them. And I don't know, they were very cooperative. Sorry, I was supposed to cry for 2 weeks, but I chose today to cry. The thing is, they were both supportive. There were probably things in it that I planned that wasn't ideal for them, but they just let me be, and he too was just like, okay, go ahead, do what you want. Get all your dreams out and, fulfill them in one day.
Straighten the relationship. Be good friends. Forgive the unkind things from the other person, but generally love and cherish each other and have fun in life. Marriage is all about having fun, enjoying togetherness, and there should be a romance in the air. It should not be a very serious thing about, equipping the house or buying a new building, a new car, not the material things. Spending time together, having fun, having candlelight dinners, holding hands till the sunset years. Have fun.
मोठ्या मुलीचं लग्न आहे, तो पहिलाच कार्य आहे घरात, कधीच झालं नाही. मुली असल्यामुळे मुंज वगैरे किंवा असं काही कार्य कधी झालं नाही. इतक्या वर्षात पाहुणे मंडळी वगैरे असं काही नवीन सगळं एक्सपिरियन्स आहे, थ्रिल्ड पण आहे, मजा येते आहे, चालायलाही होतं आहे. शाळेत असताना ती खूप मिस्चियस होती, खूप खोड्या काढायची, कधीच स्वस्थ बसली नाही. सगळ्यांशी बोलायची, बेंचवरती तिला एकटीला बसवलं शेवटी टीचरने, तरी पण ती एकटी बडबड करायची. सगळ्या कॉम्बिनेशन झाल्या करून पण ती काय कधी शांत बसायची नाही. तर ती खूप जास्ती मस्ती करायची. घरामध्ये देखील तिला कुठल्याही वस्तूंनी ती भिंतीवरती पेंट करायची. सगळे विक्स विक्सच्या बाटल्या रिकाम्या झाल्या, पावडरचे डबे रिकामे झाले, चॉक्स, एकही भिंतीवरची जागा घरातली जागा सोडली नाही. कात्री मिळाली की पूर्ण घरभर कात्री चालवली आहे तिने. तिच्या वडिलांचा नवीन सिल्कचा कुर्ता पण फाडला आहे. आजीचे केस देखील तिने त्या कात्रीने कापून झालेत. एकदा अशी लिपस्टिक तिच्या हातात आली होती तर आजीचे ओठ रंगवून झाले. चुळबुळ चुळबुळ मस्त हळू शांत असायची.
चांगलं म्हणजे सुकन्या कधी रडलीच नाही, कधीच रडली नाही. हा लहानपणापासून मोठ्यापणापर्यंत. आता आता आम्हाला रडवते तो भाग वेगळा, पण कधीच रडले
खूप आला तरी सुद्धा शांत, कधीच त्रास नाही त्याचा.
बोटं चोकू लागली तर समजायचं की काहीतरी प्रॉब्लेम आहे लागला. भूक लागली आहे, पोटात दुखतंय, थकली आहे, ताप आहे, पण त्यासाठी तिने कधी कांगावा केला नाही, रडली नाही. एकदा तर आजीचे पैसे चोरले तिने आणि गेली आणि कोंबडी तिथं घेऊन आली, लहान कोंबडीचं पिल्लू. का तर लावलेलं होतं आणि सगळे मुलं मिळून खेळत होते, त्याला पकडायला मागे धावत होते.
मला कळल्यावर मी तिला इतकं एकदम मारलं की नंतर मला चढ आलं की बापरे एवढ्या गोष्टीसाठी आपण तिला समजावायची आपण तिला मारायचं.
I just want to say, be supportive of each other, be kind to each other. And I really love seeing them together now. Yesterday I just couldn't take my eyes off them. I think they'll go back. And I wish them all the best and love.
I'm really happy that he has a companion, a life partner, Sukita, who's going to bring a spark into his life. And I feel he has worked very hard to reach the position that he has reached, and it's been a lot of hard work with very little fun and play in between. Probably with Sukita joining him, I think they'll have a fun-filled life. I'm very happy about that.